is a new type of charcoal making machine, suitable for charcoal powder, coal powder, blue charcoal, bamboo charcoal powder, and other materials. It has fast molding speed and large output.